In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable blue ticks on WhatsApp. If you've ever wanted to read messages without sending a read receipt, this is for you. Blue ticks are WhatsApp's way of showing when a message has been read. One gray tick means sent, two gray ticks mean delivered, and two blue ticks mean read. Turning off read receipts gives you more privacy and a little more control over when you respond. Start by opening WhatsApp. You can do this on your phone or on WhatsApp web or desktop on your computer. If you're on a computer and you're not signed in yet, just link your phone so you can access your chats. The setting we need is the same idea across devices. Next, open the app menu and go to Settings. On most Android phones, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then tap Settings. On iPhone, simply tap the Settings tab at the bottom of the screen. On WhatsApp web or desktop, click the three dots near your profile picture and choose Settings. If you don't see Settings right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Inside Settings, look for Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps controls for things like last seen, profile photo, and who can see your information. Go ahead and open Privacy. Now scroll until you find Read Receipts. You'll see a switch next to it. Toggle that switch to the off position. As soon as you turn it off, your individual chats will no longer show blue ticks to other people when you read their messages. There's nothing else you need to save. The change takes effect immediately and carries over to your other devices linked to the same account. A few important notes so you know exactly what to expect. And when you turn off read receipts, you also won't see blue ticks from other people in one-to-one chats. It's a two-way setting. Group chats are different. Read receipts still work in groups regardless of this toggle, so participants can see when messages have been read. Also, voice messages and voice notes may still show played indicators even with read receipts off. And keep in mind, this does not hide your online or typing status. That's a separate privacy control. If the option seems missing or grayed out, update WhatsApp and try again. After changing the setting, you don't need to restart the app, but giving it a moment to sync across devices can help if you use both phone and desktop. That's it. You've disabled blue ticks, giving yourself a quieter, more private messaging experience.